In this video, we're going to look at some of the tools Element has in estimating to help make options a lot faster and easier for you, especially on the fly. The first tool we're going to look at is this hold column here. And the hold column is really handy. Here I've got a really simple estimate. Garden, driveway, lighting. Inside each one of these is all the costs and prices associated with it. So I've got my price over here. Now maybe the client didn't ask for lighting, but I want to go in to my proposal ready for it as an extra add-on option, whatever you want to call it. So one thing you can do is use the hold column to put the lighting on hold. Now watch when I do that. Right now the price is $23,383. Lighting is in the bid. If I put the lighting on hold, the total price drops to $19,171. So what happens when you put something on hold? Effectively, what you do is you take it out of the estimate. The price changes, the hours change. It doesn't appear on any of the proposal reports or crew reports. It's there in the estimate and it's sitting there, but it's not actually impacting the estimate financially or on any of the reports. If I want to add it back to the estimate, I simply untick the hold and it comes back in with the costs and the hours and the price and everything else you'd expect. So it's a really fast and easy way to include or exclude things from an estimate. But what it allows me to do is build out a complete estimate along with some options or add-ons for the client and have them ready to go so that when I'm at the kitchen table or wherever we are negotiating the bid, I can very quickly put things in and take them out. When I reprint the estimate, it'll be only with the things that are in, and then I could email that estimate right from the kitchen table to them and print something out and get it signed and leave the meeting with a deal instead of leaving the meeting saying, okay, let me go back and revise this estimate and get all this done for you. So you can do changes like that really quickly on the fly. The other key task here, and it's on both standard and service estimates, is the copy task. So here I've got a driveway. It's a basic paver. My price is $17,000. If I hit edit, I've got a Brussels block and it's $3.99 a square foot as my paver type. Close this down again. Maybe I want to give the client an option for a driveway with a nicer paver. So what I can do is drop this edit down and say copy work area. What this is going to do, it's going to make an exact copy of the one we just built with the basic paver. But this time I'm going to call it driveway premium paver. Or you could have used the trade name for the paver themselves. Once I've created that work area, if I hit edit, it's all the same things as the basic paver exactly. So what I could do here, for example, is change this. Now the other thing I could do is actually just delete this item entirely and re-add a new paver. That's one way to change it. Right here, just to be quick, I'm going to change the name here and I'm going to change the price here. So let's say it's $6.99. So now I'm offering the client a premium paver. Now there may be other changes. Maybe the hours change because it takes longer or shorter because of the pattern of the paver. There's other variables to what I just did there. But assuming that I'm just changing the price of the paver and everything else is going to stay the same, then now what I have is a quick option for a basic paver and a premium paver. It's $17,000 for the basic. It's $22,000 for the premium. Now I won't want to go in with an estimate that has both these options activated. The client's not going to get two driveways. So I can put the premium paver on hold and I have an estimate for the driveway with the premium paver. Or I can take the premium paver off hold and put the basic paver on hold. And now I've got a price for the premium paver. So again, it allows me to go into a bid with a few different options for the client and very quickly switch back and forth between options without having to make big, long revisions. And I'm more likely to seal a deal at the kitchen table, and I'm hopefully more likely to sell upgrades because we're ready to go with them right there.